Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make working landing gear in BAFt. First, you will want to start by placing a sturdy base block, perhaps a titanium or gold block, to serve as the foundation for your landing gear. Next, attach 2 hinges to this base, making sure they are oriented correctly for the gear's movement. Then, use strong, lightweight blocks like plastic or wood to construct the main arm of your landing gear. This forms the essential framework. Now, let's integrate the crucial components. Connect a piston to the end of each gear arm you just built. It is important to ensure these pistons are configured to extend and retract smoothly, allowing for realistic movement. After that, attach a wheel to the very end of each piston. These wheels will provide the necessary ground contact for your aircraft, enabling smooth takeoffs and landings. To make your landing gear functional, you need a control mechanism. Place a switch or a button somewhere accessible in your build. Then, wire this switch directly to both pistons, ensuring they activate simultaneously. You will also need to adjust the piston's extension length. A common setting is around 5 to 10 blocks, allowing for proper gear deployment and retraction. This setup provides seamless operation. Finally, it is time for thorough testing and refinement. Activate your landing gear, switch multiple times to observe its operation. Look for any sticking, uneven movement, or structural weaknesses. If needed, adjust the hinge strength or piston speed to achieve optimal performance. You might also consider adding a few extra support blocks for increased durability. A well-tested gear ensures reliable functionality for your aircraft.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.